Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 21 of saving $10 a day trying to work through my stash of minis and tinies. So here's my little sticker saying day 21. I have 2 5s today. So let's get out our prop coins. So I exchanged $10 in cash for $10 in prop coins. We're going to put our 2 5s in the bank. And then we are going to start on number 1. And we don't know if that's really where we're supposed to start from yesterday's little craziness, but we are just going to work with it. Okay. Mix these up a little bit. Roll a D3 and go. 1. That took a while. 1 for 1. 1 for 2. 3 for 3. That makes everything okay. 2 for number 4. 1 for number 5. 1, 2, 3 for number 6. And then go back to 1. 1 for 1. 2 for 2. Almost skipped 3 again. 1 for 3. 1, 2, 3 for number 4. 1 for number 5. 1, 2, 3 for number 6. We have 2 left. All right, 1 going on 1, 1 going on 2, and we will start at number 3 tomorrow. All right, so let's get ourselves situated. All right, number 1, got $1, and number 1 is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets, formerly Printable by Wood. So we can do 4 spots, 25, 50, 75, $1. Put that in here. All right, number 2. Number 2 got $1.75. Oh, this one's from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets as well, and it looks like we finished. So 25, 50, 75, $1.25. So we can put 50 cents into a new one, and we finished this one for $3. That's awesome. You know, I don't think I put extras in here, but if we need to, I have my little mini stash right there. All right, this one will save $2. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So there's our 50 cents. Look how cute that is. All right. And then number 3. Oh, number 3 got $2. Let's see what this one is. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. And we're just 50 cents away, so I do kind of want to color everything in, so I'll be right back. Okay, all colored in. This is really nice paper, and the Sharpie just loves it. So that is not quite done. We have 50 more cents, and then that one will be done. So let's put these coins away. Number 4. Number 4 got $1.75. And this one is from 4 Dizzy Birds. So let's see, we can do $1.75. I'll be right back. All right, so $1.50 will finish this one off. And that'll save us $4. All right, number 5 got $1. And this one is from Kimmy's Corner. And I am just going to mark off one more row for $1. And we have one more dollar, and this will save us 4. All right, and then number 6. That's $1. Oop, $2, $2.50. What do we have in here? All right, so this one is from Budgeting with Bree, $14.87, and we can do $2.50. So $25.50, $75, $1, $25.50, $75, $1, $25, and $50. Perfect. I don't give a cluck. So we finished a little tiny one for $3. That's amazing. I will take it. I love it. So let's come over here, put our prop coins away. And then we need $3 from our bank. So 1, 2, and 3. We'll come here to the back. We'll just shove this right on in here. And then we'll stick our little tiny in there. Awesome. It's always nice when you get a finish, but I am so happy that we are still going on and saving some of money every day and getting rid of our stash in a super fun way. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, take care. Bye.